Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to connect a wallet to Dex Screener. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I want to do is head on over to dexscreener.com. Here it is here. And now once this page loads, is the official website for Dex Screener. On the bottom left hand side of the page, we're going to have this option that says sign in. So we're going to click on the sign in. And then it'll say sign in to Dex Screener to sync your settings, lists and alerts across unlimited devices. And if you're lucky like me and you're logged into our existing wallet, so I've got the Phantom wallet, what else I got? And I've got TronLink, Coinbase wallet extension. I can just simply go ahead and click on use Phantom. But if this pop-up doesn't appear, what we can do is go ahead and click on connect wallet, and then it'll say connect a wallet. So I've got Coinbase to choose from and Phantom, but you got some other ones here. So if you got MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Rainbow, you can use either one of them to connect to Dex Screener. So for example, I want to use Phantom. So it's going to say opening Phantom, confirm connection in the extension, and which it's done here. Because like I said, I'm already logged into my Phantom wallet. And I'm going to simply just click on use Phantom and don't ask me again. And then you'll get to this part here. It says Phantom Wallet Connect. So confirming will allow this site to view balances and activities for the selected account. I'm going to use that account. Only connect to websites you trust. We trust Dex Screener. Click connect. And then it's going to verify your account. To finish connecting, you must sign a message in your wallet to verify that you are the owner of this account. I'm going to go ahead and click on sign message. I'm going to click confirm. It states here sign this message will prove you have ownership of the selected account. Confirm. And done. That is as simple as that, how to connect a wallet to Dex Screener. And you can see my wallet is on the bottom left hand side. That's my wallet connected to Dex Screener.